Today, we will talk about how to use the gas burner and the induction burner in our kitchen. Now, we will start with the gas burner. Before you start using the gas burner, you always need to clean up the whole area so you can have your working surface well organized and make sure you don't cross contaminate your food. Also, you need to make sure the pilot light is on. The pilot light of the gas burner should always be on. If it is not, make sure you talk to a teacher and get it fixed. As you start cooking on the gas burner, place your pot onto the burner. And then turn on the fire. You always need to start it slowly, or the fire is going to be really big and you may hurt yourself. Also, start it on low. You always can adjust the fire during your cooking process. As you finish cooking, turn off the fire and then remove the pot from the fire. Because the pilot light is still going to be on, if you place your pot on the burner, your food may be burned. After you're done cooking, you need to get a soapy rag and clean and sanitize the working surface. The most important thing you need to remember when you are working on the gas burner is that the pilot light should always be on. And remember, the working surface is going to be really hot during the cooking process, so make sure you don't burn yourself. Also, you don't want to burn your food, so remove the pot from the burner immediately after you are done cooking. So, this is how you need to clean the working surface. Make sure you sanitize it after you wipe it out. So this is how we need to use the gas burner. Now let's talk about the induction burner. The induction burners are always kept on this shelf in the kitchen. When you take the induction burner to your working table, make sure you get a cord and hold the burner with both of your hands. The burners are really heavy and really expensive. They are $700 each, so make sure you don't break them. When you use the induction burner, make sure you get a cord, which is located under the vegetable sink, and get a ladder. When you plug in the cords, make sure you stand on the ladder and plug it in gently, or you will break the cord and you may hurt yourself. That is how you need to plug in the cords. Another important thing for the induction burners is the pot you use for the burner. The pot for induction burners are always kept on the shelf, although they always have a thicker bottom. If you're still not sure if it is a right pot for the burners or not, make sure you talk to a teacher. Also, the induction burners have glass surfaces, which is really easy to break. So you need to put your pot onto the burner gently, or you might break the glass surface. As you start cooking, you need to start on low. And then you can always adjust the fire during your working process. As you're done cooking, turn off the burner and then remove your pot from the burner gently. Place it on your table. Now we need to unplug the cords. Make sure you unplug the cords gently. Do not pull it hard, or you may hurt yourself or break the cords. Use the ladder as well. Pull it gently. When we have the surface cool down, you get a soapy rag and wipe the surface of the burner. Now we need to put the burner back to the shelf. Make sure you get a cord well. Take it with both of your hands and place the burner to the place where it is supposed to be. Also, you need to clean up your working surface. You need to put the cord back to the basket under the vegetable sink. So basically, it is how we use the gas burner and induction burners in the kitchen. Remember, safety is always the priority in our kitchen, so make sure you follow your teacher's instructions. When you're not sure on something, you can always ask your teacher for help.